There's usually three things that always come up, and I think AI generates this to be fair, but people seem to talk about this all the time when they think about AI and facility management. Predictive maintenance, energy optimization, and space utilization. AI can be used for all of that. In fact, it has been being used for space utilization for quite some time. But in terms of predictive maintenance, you can see, if you're in predictive maintenance mode, you can see up to 30% reduction in maintenance cost. And typically that's because break fix type operations have a higher cost associated with them, particularly when you look at the amount of lost revenue or lost use based on a break fix policy. However, as we all know, from facility management perspective, quite a few of us are in a break fix mode. Much better, I think, to be in a proactive mode, and you can use AI to be in that predictive maintenance mode to prevent the failures before they happen. Energy optimization is a really good one. You hear about this all the time, even from a sustainability, carbon reduction perspective. You can save, in fact, even more than 25% in energy consumption when you deploy AI. As a use case, just think of what's happening with your HVAC, your chiller set points, your compressor utilizations. Maybe you've spent some time personally figuring out what your optimized super secret sauce is for those set points. The AI, and we're going to talk about this, AI can help with those set points and substantially reduce your energy usage and subsequently carbon footprint by doing those kinds of things. And of course, space utilization, this is a little bit more on the CRE side, potentially a little bit more on the architectural side, but there is some tools in AI that can help define the types of spaces that would maximize space utilization.